This is what becoming a Sky 2 Tours travel agent really looks like.
Sky 2 Tours offers a unique opportunity to earn $85,000 to $100,000 in your first year as a travel agent. With industry-leading commissions, free familiarization trips, and comprehensive support, you can easily build a six-figure career nowadays. Limited enrollment is open now. Sky 2 Tours offers higher commissions, ranging from 15 to 25%, compared to the industry average of 8 to 12%. Enjoy free familiarization trips to top destinations and work remotely with our cloud-based platform. Plus, benefit from commission protection, ensuring your clients and repeat bookings are always secure. Certified agents at Sky 2 Tours earn over $85,000 in their first year, outperforming industry benchmarks. With access to 500+ supplier partners and 24/7 support, our 98% agent retention rate speaks volumes. The global travel market is set to exceed $9 trillion by 2026. Seize this opportunity now. Our certification path offers self-paced, mobile-friendly courses crafted by industry veterans. Completing these courses grants full supplier access, higher commission tiers, and cooperative marketing funds. Courses include Flight Booking Mastery, Hotel Management Pro, and Destination Expert. Agents completing training within 30 days earn 40% more in their first quarter. Unlock premium earnings with advanced specializations. The Luxury Travel Certification offers insights into high net worth client psychology and white glove service, with commissions up to 25%. The Cruise Specialist Certification covers major cruise lines and group sales strategies in a $150 billion market. Both certifications include a certificate and require 18 to 20 hours of study. In your first year, start by getting certified and activating your profile. By months 3 to 4, aim for $3,000 to $5,000 in commissions. Months 5 to 8 focus on specialization and income growth. By month 9 to 12, target $85,000 to $100,000 earnings. Sarah M. transformed her career with Sky 2 Tours, highlighting the potential for a life upgrade. Your next chapter with Sky 2 Tours starts now. The travel industry is thriving, and we provide the tools, training, and community to help you live, work from anywhere, and build a six-figure, location-independent career. Start today by visiting app.sky2tours.com and navigate to our training section to enroll in our certification courses, completing the modules, and begin earning commissions while exploring the world.